We're going to have a quick look into my camera bag and what I brought for this shoot today. I'm shooting with the Z9. I've never thought about changing, I've always been with Nikon. The lens that I'm shooting with today is the 85 1.2. It's perfect for portraits. I use it as my go-to lens. And then the next lens I'm shooting with is the 24 to 70, and that's for my wide angle lens. If I'm trying to capture the full body or the background environment, it's perfect for that as well. For my lights, I'm using the EOS 2, and that's going to be my fill light and also the main light in the different environments we're going to be shooting in. We're going to be combined in natural light because natural light brings out the beauty in the subjects that is needed, the details. So at times we will use the fill light and at times we use the natural light combined. We're going to be using the EOS 2 with the smart softbox. And the beautiful thing about the smart softbox, it allows you to control the diffusion of light. So if you're looking to create really harsh light on your model, you can do so by simply dialing it in the back. Or if you want that soft look, that really intimate look to capture those wonderful details, you can dial that in. With me, I've got this larger softbox, which allows you to really create that natural soft light. And the beautiful thing about this, it creates those catch lights, those beautiful catch lights in the eyes, which is something that I always try to obtain when shooting portraits. I also have in my camera bag a speaker. This is not for me, it's generally for the models, helps them to feel more relaxed in front of the camera.